Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by turning on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location so the phones can discover each other. This is required for speed and security. Open Nearby Share or your phone maker's transfer app on both devices, then grant permissions when prompted. Once done, place the devices near each other, about 1 to 2 meters, so signals stay strong. Make sure both batteries are above 20% to prevent interruptions, and choose the device that will send data. This starts the pairing and prepares files for transfer. Now select what you want to transfer: contacts, photos, apps, messages, or specific folders, because smaller batches are easier to verify. On the sending phone, tap Send, and on the receiving phone, tap Accept. Then authenticate with the method shown: PIN, fingerprint, or a visible pairing code, to ensure you're connecting to the right device. As files begin moving, watch transfer rate and progress. If speeds drop, pause big batches and resume smaller groups so the connection stays stable and finishes. Finish by checking that contacts appear in Contacts, Photos in Gallery, and apps are installed or available in Play Store. If something's missing, resend only those items or restore them from a cloud backup to save time. Make sure to sign into accounts on the new phone so app data syncs. If transfers fail, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, reboot both devices, and retry pairing. This clears transient radio or permission issues. One key tip: confirm storage space on the receiving phone before retrying to avoid repeat failures.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.